In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hibernate a LinkedIn account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Hibernating your LinkedIn account is a great option if you need a break from your professional networking without permanently deleting your profile. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, log into your account using your email and password. It's essential to sign in properly so that you can access all the settings you need. After logging in, look for your profile photo or the account icon located in the top right corner of the home page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This is where you'll find various options regarding your account. Next, from that drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account, including your privacy options. Once you're on the Settings page, look for the Account Preferences section within the menu. This is where you can adjust your general settings regarding your account. Now, take a moment to scroll through the list in the Account Preferences section until you find the Hibernate Account option. This is the action that will allow you to make your account temporarily invisible while keeping your data intact. Before proceeding, it's important to review the information provided about what hibernating your account entails. This information will clarify what changes will happen when you hibernate, ensuring that you understand the implications, such as your profile becoming invisible to others while your data remains saved for when you're ready to return. If you're comfortable with everything and have made your decision, it's time to finalize the hibernation process. Click on the Hibernate button. You may be prompted to provide feedback or a reason for your decision to hibernate. This step is optional, but can help LinkedIn improve its services. Additionally, you might be asked to re-enter your password for confirmation. This extra step is a security measure to ensure that only you have the ability to make significant changes to your account. Once you have entered your password and confirmed your decision, your LinkedIn account will be hibernated. This means that no one can see your profile or any of your activities on the platform, giving you the peace of mind to take a break. Should you decide to come back, you can easily reactivate your account by signing back in. Your data will be waiting for you just as you left it, ready for you to start connecting and networking again. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to hibernate your LinkedIn account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Take care.